So this is just a quick little video, page 245, question 5. So, shown below is a glass terrarium using the dimensions given, determine the true lengths of the edges A and B. So there's two lines there they want me to get the true lengths of. Okay. First thing anyway, we're going to have to draw out this planned elevation. Okay. So I'm going to start with the plan in this one. I'm going to draw 100 squared, gives us the little symbol there for it. So it's 100 long, 100 wide all the way around. So that's the very first thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to draw in an XY line. So it's 100 squared. Then I'm going to find the midpoint 50. I'm going to join my corners. So I'm going to join my corners. From this now, I'm able to draw my square, and my smaller square, my dash square, which is 50 squared. So it's going to be 25 above this center point here, 25 below it. And it just goes out then to hit the corner lines we've drawn earlier. I'm going to darken it a larger square. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my elevation. So for my elevation, I'm bringing up this dash square. That's the start of B. So that's that section. Bring up the outside one. And very middle point comes up then as that. So it is up 25 there. Light line. Draw my line across. Gets matched down to this. And it goes to a height of 70 millimeters here. You can join that back down. So that's the plan and the elevation drawn. Okay. So I'm going to write onto that my A and my B in the elevation. So they gave me this in the question. They said this is line A here, and this is line B. Okay. If we remember from today, okay, it wants a true length of those two lines. Okay. If we remember what we learned today, when one of the lines is parallel with the XY line, in the other view, so in this case here that I'm drawing up now, in the other view, in elevation, it's a true length. So when a line is parallel with the XY line, the next view is a true length. Okay? So, remembering that now, right? A and B. The first thing we have to do is find A and B in this plan. So where is A and B? So this is the elevation. We're looking in this direction here. It goes from the corner down to the edge. So from the corner down to the edge. From here to here. So that is my A line. So from here to here, that whole line there, that is my A line. Okay. My B then comes from this corner down into the small dotted square. So it's going to be coming from this corner into this corner here, the dotted square. That one's going to be B. Okay, so the full length of the line is A, and from the corner to this corner, that's my B line. Okay, that was the most important kind of thing that we could try to figure out, really. Alright? Now, none of these lines is parallel with the XY line. Okay, so we do not have a true shape yet. Right? So we're going to have to do something in order to make those lines that AB parallel with the XY line. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my compass. Okay? I'm going to put the point here, right in the center, and I'm going to extend my line all the way to the outside point. Okay? So that's A now, right? And I'm going to swing it up until it's parallel with this XY line, or just straight across from the center. Okay, so I have that swung up. Alright. What I'm going to do now is come straight across here from the bottom point of A. I'm going to bring this new lint straight up. This came across. And what we can do now is we can join the top corner down to there. That now is our true length of A. Because this here is parallel with the XY line, so we can bring it up and find it above. That's our true length of A. Okay, now we have B, right? We've left with B. So, what I'm going to do, in B here, I'm going to draw a straight line across from the corner of B. So that's from this corner of B here, I'm going to have to draw a line straight across. Okay? I'm going to get that on my compass, so I'll point there, compass there, and swing an arc. So this is the little arc I got here. B now is parallel with the XY line. So I can bring it straight up here to this part of B. And we're going to join from this point now back down to B. That there then is my true length of B. So they're the true lengths of the two surfaces there, A and B, using the rabattement method. So we rotate them around to get them parallel with the XY line, like we've above. Okay? So we need to have one, when the line is parallel with the XY line, the next view of that line is a true length. So that's page 245, question 5.